ICO platform Echo sold for $375 million, and public sales are paying 5x to 30x returns again. Plasma returned 33x returns and Falcon saw 28 times oversubscription. But the real edge is understanding the launch mechanics, not FOMOing it. ICOs are back and smarter. Here's how to size, farm, and not get played by them. So welcome back to Sector Watch. This week we'll be talking about ICOs. If you look at the macro snapshot, ICOs are 20% of the token sale volume in 2025. We've got big outcomes this cycle. We saw Plasma, which went to an all-time high return on investment of 33 times. So $100 would have become $3,300, for example. And Falcon saw 28 times oversubscription. So ICOs are gaining traction. We've got big news. Coinbase acquired Echo for $375 million. It also means that institution rails are also getting into the ICOs as well. And there's obviously a core change. ICOs were famous back in 2017, but now more than chaos, it's about mechanics. It's got KYC, it's got reputation gating, treasury rules, encoded liquidity. So the whole game of ICOs have changed, and I'm here to tell you what is new about it. Obviously, it's about infrastructure, which leads to access, and then that leads to liquidity. So the new stack splits the old ICO into attention, sale rates, reputation, and liquidity policy. We'll get into that later. So we'll be talking about the different platforms on which ICOs are happening right now. Number one, we've got Echo. They have a platform known as Sonar for the ICOs. It's one of the highest ROI engines. We saw Plasma and Lab, which were the previous ICOs that happened. It has flexible formats. It's got vault, it's got an auction, it's got fixed ICOs as well, and multi-chain launches. So it's a KYC platform. You need to do your due diligence as well, and it's one of the best ICO platforms in the market right now. The next platform is Legion. It's a reputation-weighted allocation inside an exchange. So it's a merit phase. It decides ICOs based on your social score, what are your on-chain data, what is your on-chain activity, and then it gives you an allocation based on that. So Legion decides a Legion score that matters for an allocation for the ICOs happening on Legion. Then we've got MetaDAO. It's been one of the popular platforms for ICOs for low raises. There have been 5 to 6 ICOs which are already completed, and some ICOs saw more than $100 million commitments on MetaDAO. So MetaDAO is one of the best. With Echo, MetaDAO is also performing really, really well. Buidlpad, it's a KYC-gated retail at scale. It's got predictable flows, tired FTV, smooth refund on oversubscription. And then what's the pattern for all of this? So oversubscription is one case that has been happening in ICOs. Most of the ICOs get oversubscribed, and that would lead to a large fully diluted value, but companies have a limited size that they can accept, and this market buys distribution and scarcity. So distribution gets equal and everybody gets a smaller allocation, but there's no whale inflows that happen because of this. So, what are the current ICOs and what are the past ICOs on these platforms that have been successful? Number one, if we look at Echo, we've got the current upcoming pre-sale on Mega ETH. Go check our CoinCheck episode today that we're doing on Mega ETH. If we check at Buidlpad, we've got Momentum, which is launching, which is the largest DEX on Sui. The subscription phase ends on 25th. Then on Legion, one of the highest oversubscribed ICOs was yield basis. It's a staking and yield platform for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin liquidity sits idle and people want to make returns on it, so yield basis came up with that idea for it. And in MetaDAO, we've had very successful ICOs recently. Umbra got more than $150 million raised. We've seen yesterday an ICO Loyal got concluded that raised more than $75 million, and now we've got Paystream Labs, the liquidity optimizer of Solana, which is launching on MetaDAO. And last, we've got Kaito. It had Limitless ICO, which got completed, and it's an attention-driven pre-sales with huge oversubscription events as well. So what's the verdict? ICOs are back not as a nostalgia play, but as engineered public raises. It's not about the edge, it's about the mechanics literacy. Know the launch rate, build reputation, calendar the KYC, and trade the liquidity policy. Big capital and well-structured launches win, retail wins if they trade structure, not just hype. So that's it for today's Sector Watch. Thank you for watching 3.0 TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in the Web3 space. I'll see you guys again on Friday, and goodbye for now and happy weekend.